Attention please. Today is the first day of practical class in biochemistry lab. All of the students are congratulated.
I am Mr. Akhtaruজ্জামান Sikdar, Senior Medical Technologist. Today we will know about the medical equipments. Do you know what's medical equipment? Medical equipments means which instruments are used in medical, such as laboratory, surgery, etc. Now I will show you some common instrument which is used in the laboratory. Now I am showing funnel. It is a conical wide open mouth glassware with a long narrow tube. It is used to pouring liquid substance into narrow mouth container. Now I am showing beaker. It's made of glass. It's generally a cylindrical container with flat bottom. Beaker often graduated. It's used for boiling water or other liquid. Attention please. Are you feeling comfort and interesting to this class? Okay, come to the point. It's a glass apparatus. Its name is flat bottom flask. Its bottom is flat. It's used in the different works of the lab, like mixing the solution and chemicals and boiling water and other liquid. I think you know it. It's a spirit lamp. It's used as a heat source in the lab to boil water and other chemicals. This instrument's name is Bunsen burner. A Bunsen burner is a type of gas burner. It's used in the laboratory as a heat source in the laboratory experiments. Now you are watching conical flask. It's a conical shaped flask with a short narrow neck and flat bottom. It is used for indirect heating of liquid for preparation of culture media. It is mainly used for storing ready-to-use distilled water. It's also used for heating liquids on hot plates. I think nobody none here who does not know it. It's a disposable syringe. It used for collection of blood from blood vessel. It's also used for injecting drug and muscle or vein. My dear students, now I am showing you this instrument. Its name is test tube ring. There are varieties type of test tube rings. Some are made of steel, some are made of plastic, and some are hard synthetic paper. It's used for to hold test tubes in order in upright position. Have you any question? Okay, thank you. These are test tubes. It's made of glass. There are different types of test tubes. Some are small, some are big. And they are made of glass and sometimes made of plastic. These test tubes are used in the laboratory only. It's used for to carry out test unit, to heat liquid during test. These are graduated pipette. It's a narrow glass tube with both ends open. The volume values are marked along the pipette wall in increments. This instrument is used in accurately measuring a transferring solution from one container to another. Now you are watching micropipette, which is used in the different laboratory like biochemistry, serology, immunology, virology, microbiology, etc. There is a disposable plastic tips placed at the end of the micropipette shaft. It is a laboratory tool commonly used to transfer measured amount of liquid. Micropipettes measure a much smaller volume, starting at 1 microliter, while pipettes generally start at 1 milliliter. These are micropipette tips. It's made of plastics. It's used one time only in the laboratory. Before a few minutes, we see the micropipette and micropipette tips. Now you are watching a micropipette attached with the tips. Measuring cylinder is a long cylindrical piece of glassware with calibrating marking on it in an ascending order. These types of cylinders are supplied in the laboratory like 10 to 100 ml, 50 to 200 ml, 100 to 500 ml. To measure a relatively large volume liquid during preparation of solution, when high degree of accuracy is not important. It's usually made of glass. It's also made of plastic too. This instrument name is test tube holder. Now it used only in the student practical laboratories. It has a cage and a holder in it. It used to hold test tube in upright position during heating, during performing experiment in the lab. This instrument's name is chemical balance, by which we measure a specific amount of substance such as sodium chloride, potassium chloride, etc. to prepare solution properly. This instrument's name is colorimeter. It is an instrument by which we measure the amount of light absorbance by colored solution formed from the substance to be estimated. It used for measurement of different analytes like glucose, bilirubin, creatinine, urea, cholesterol, protein, etc. You may know details about the use of colorimeter in the next class. Now you are watching centrifuge machine, which is most essential for practical lab or diagnostic center. It used to separating cellular elements from blood to provide cell-free plasma or serum for analyzing. It's also used for concentrating cellular elements of biological fluids for microscopic examination. This instrument's name is semi-auto analyzer. It used for measuring the elements of blood and body fluid semi automatically. It's a reagent bottle. It's made of glass. These are reagent bottle too. This bottle is made of plastic. It's so safe to glass bottle. This instrument is used for immunological test. It's a device reader. This instrument name is sensor. We measure electrolyte by this instrument. This instrument name is MISPA. It's a protein analyzer. We measure different types of protein by this. And last one, that's the incubator. We incubate reagent or other mixing solution in a fixed temperature for a fixed time. Have had any question about this class or instrument? Thank you so much.
20 ml extra solution, 20 ml 25% solution দিব এবং